Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. So, let's explore an incredible but kind of terrifying new world: neurotechnology. It all starts with a true medical miracle. Neuroimplants are absolutely transforming lives. These devices can restore function and improve quality of life in ways we only dreamed of. But from the digital shadows, a dark new possibility emerges. It's called brainjacking. So how could this even happen? Well, attackers really have two main ways in. We're going to focus on a specific targeted attack, one that goes right for our core desires. Think of this system as the master switch for everything that makes you, well, you. The plan is chillingly simple. Get in, map your brain, and then take control. And don't think this is just science fiction. The possibilities are terrifyingly real. An attacker could digitally rewrite your impulses, literally changing who you are on a fundamental level. They could change how you feel, making you anxious or even euphoric with just a command. They could even create new addictions, hijacking the very essence of what you desire. With a threat this big, a new battleground is emerging for our most basic human rights. And this isn't just talk. Countries are already taking action to protect our mental privacy. Which leaves all of us with a huge question for our collective digital future. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like, and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.